Here we are, gorillas, most southern city of Ontario. Actually, most southern city of Canada, Windsor, Ontario. Yeah, got a nice little walkway down here. They have a nice park on the riverfront here. Bike paths. Get the bridge, monuments. Let me give this a little flip around so you can see. Here's all different sculptures. This is Ambassador Bridge. Here's Detroit. Oh, there's a homeless guy. And yeah, all kinds of places. People jogging. Riverfront. Let's have a look down by the river here. Lots of goose poop. Where are they today? Not here. Usually a lot of Canada geese are here. There's a couple over there. There is a lot of goose poop. I used to do a lot of fishing off here when I was a kid. And actually, it's Detroit River, and I actually ate the fish out of here, believe it or not. Pre-vegan days. Some people on a boat there fishing. You can see it's a long pier walk, which is really nice. That's it. And there's the Ambassador Bridge going over to Detroit. Two countries separated by a river.